Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to unbox this slime. I have ordered this slime, so today we are going to unbox this. Okay, so let's cut this back. So guys, these are the slimes I have ordered. These are 3 slimes. So one is red, and with it there's a toy also, and this is yellow, same toy, and this is blue. Very nice slime, I like it. So let's open one. Okay, so we are opening yellow one. Wow, very nice slime. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.